Hi guys, for today's recipe we're doing an adapted version of arepas. We're gonna mix arepas with eggs, and these are gonna be our ingredients for the filling. We have coleslaw mixture, we have monterey jack cheese, we have bean sprouts, and we have green onions and spinach. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's start it. So this is a trial, this is a test. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of the flour, of the corn flour, with 2 eggs. We're gonna put a little bit of water. I'll try less than 1 cup. And then after that, I'm gonna put some shaved coconut to give some texture and good smell to the dough. So I put less than half a cup of water because we still want the dough to be fairly thick. And we go on pulse. You see it's still a little bit runny. I'm going to take this dough out and I'm going to put a little bit more flour till I get a nice round shape with the dough. Hey guys, I actually put 2 more tablespoons of the flour. And I still didn't even finish mixing, but I'm already very satisfied with the quality of the dough that I'm seeing. So I think we're heading towards a good direction here. Let me keep stirring it and let's see the result of it today. Corn goes very well with coconut, so just we have a bit of fun here on this recipe that we're making it up. We don't know, maybe there's something out there near this on the arepa making. We don't know what we're doing, but I think it's gonna be delicious. Here it is. It became a super soft and malleable dough. If it sticks to your hand a little bit, go ahead and wet your hands and then hydrate the dough and you're gonna be good. Now we're gonna shape it into rounded flat kind of pancakes, and then we're ready to fry it or to bake it. Here they are. You can shape them to your preference. It's important that you do some cuts so the dough can properly cook inside as well. I also like doing smaller sizes, so sometimes I will shape them this size and they're ready to go to the oven, either to the oven, to the stove, or to a frying pan. And here we are. They are such a simple recipe, so tasty, so yummy. Thank you so much, Venezuela, Colombia, whoever came up with these recipes, El Salvador. Here we have the fried version, here we have the baked version. So quick, and in a minute it's gonna be ready to eat. Check this out. You can do them very skinny as I did. My friend from Venezuela, sometimes he does it on a thicker measure, so then you can cut it in the middle and then you can get the feeling that you like. Check this out. I wish you guys could smell what I smell here. So freaking good. This one, let's turn it. Oh, that's beautiful. Yay. Here you have all the fresh ingredients for the filling, with a little bit of avocado oil, and then we're gonna add lastly the cheese, the monterey cheese. A little bit of sour cream, and yeah, it's ready to eat.